Hey you guys, so come with me and let's make a cookie order. Now, I am not mixing up the cookies exactly, but we are going to bake and decorate some cookies. So I start off with my pan. I do like to use parchment paper. Now, these cookie balls I have already rolled up and I put them in the refrigerator and I let them sit in there for an hour before placing them on a pan because cold cookie balls cook definitely better than any other cookies, but you can cook them the other way too. I have definitely tried it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. These are banana pudding, butter pecan. They are boneless chocolate chip cookies as well, and chocolate chip. The boneless chocolate chip is for the pecan pie filling. And now with these, I have red velvet and strawberry for the strawberry cheesecake, and also the red velvet cheesecake. So midway through, I do turn the cookies around so that they can cook evenly. And then I restart the timer. So I bake them for 6 minutes and then I stop it, turn the cookies around, let the oven get back to its temperature, and then I put the timer at 6 minutes again. So these are the cookies and how they turned out. They were perfect. I did not even have to use my cookie shaper that I would normally use at all. So I'm going to make some cheesecake filling. Now with this, I did use is cheesecake icing and powdered sugar is what I'm mixing up in here. And I also use some non-dairy milk as well. That way we have no issues with this going on top of the cookies. Although the sugar kind of mellows it all out anyway. So this is the consistency I'm looking for. I did want it kind of thick, so that way it doesn't like be falling all over the sides of the cookies. Now, first with the banana pudding cookies, I am adding some white chocolate. And then I have a box of wafers over here, and I am just going to crumble some up just to cover that white chocolate up completely. Because y'all, it's getting hot out here in Texas. It's getting hot out here. And with the heat, I'm afraid this chocolate can melt. So if you get cookies and your chocolate melted a bit, it's fine. Just let it sit in a room temperature, or you can even pop it in the fridge for like a minute or so to let that chocolate seize back up. So those are the pudding cookies. So good, so delicious. My absolute favorite and my top seller. Now these cheesecake cookies, now on my website, you get the option to decide what you want on your cookies. If you want just a plain old cookie, or if you want to add stuff. Now this customer chose to add some cheesecake icing to the red velvet and also some pecans. So now with the strawberry cheesecake, of course, I am adding the cheesecake, white chocolate, and then some crumble that I made. Yes, this crumble is homemade. And with the cheesecake cookies, I am adding some pecans on top. I said cheesecake cookies, red velvet cookies with the cheesecake. I am adding pecans on top. This is what I chose. Now there is an option to add like walnuts. There is an option to add Oreos. And there is an option just to have your red velvet cookies, just plain red velvet cookies. And those are absolutely good too. But who doesn't like to add stuff? Who doesn't like toppings? I absolutely love it. And it's pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some white chocolate on top of these red velvet ones. Once they dry a bit, that just helps to hold everything together. And you guys, this is the finished product. We have our butter pecan cookies, our chocolate chip, our red velvet cheesecake with the pecan. We have, oh, there they are. That's when I put the white chocolate on top. I didn't do the recording of that at all. So I bagged everything else up, but let me show you how I'm going to bag up these red velvet cookies. So I am going to place them in my wax bags. Now this is absolutely after they completely dried. And if you want bags, the description, click in the description, okay? Click the link. Everything that you need for baking, I have it all in one link. Everything you need for baking and cookie business, all in one link. So once everything is like dried, which did take an hour or two, I'm putting them in the wax bag. As you can see, the bottoms are perfect, honey. Don't play. We ain't gonna say cookies with no burnt bottoms. And then I am sealing these bags up with my heat sealer. This thing is wonders. I absolutely love this heat sealer so much. I think I use this more than anything. I also use it for like other bags too, for candy bags. I will reseal a bag in a minute with this heat sealer. So I'm sealing the bags up. I just press down and count to 5 and release it, and it's good to go. Now, because these cookies are so valuable, they're valuable, okay? We don't want them to break. I start using some bubble bags. And so instead of wrapping them up, I usually put bubble wrap in the box. I am putting each cookie individually into the bubble wrap. That way it secures it and make sure that your cookies are not short or broke. because USPS be on some bull stuff, okay? I didn't have to file a few claims, file a few. And this is how the butter pecan cookies come when you order them individually. And you guys, they are so delicious. Don't forget to heat them cookies up and get them back to how they was when they first were baked. And now I am just going to put everything in here. Now they did order popcorn too. I did link some popcorn videos. Well, not linked, they are on my page of me mixing and packing these up, or the banana pudding popcorn. Now they did order popcorn too, so we're just gonna put everything in here nice and snug, but not too snug because we do not want it to break or crumble up anything. And of course, the cookie care card, I did write the directions with the popcorn on the back. Your warning sticker is it's going to cause some addiction, okay? Some extreme happiness. The fragile stickers, although the post office is not going to listen to that. And you guys, this is it. That is all. Cookies are available on my website. The link is down below.